It's a little after 7 o'clock. I was about to doom scroll my whole life away. I was about to just sit there and scroll. But I was like, you know what, Rachel, you didn't go for your walk this morning. And I didn't go for a walk yesterday. But I did go swimming yesterday. So that is some activity. That's some activity. But yeah, bitch, come on. We finna go for a walk. I put on my sunscreen, so make sure you put you on some sunscreen. And yeah, I got on my little leggings and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all what I got on when I get out the car. But yeah, come on, let's go walk. Alright, bitch, we done made it to the motherfucking park. The Piznai. I made it to the park. I got my little bottle. Y'all, this bottle is frozen, y'all, but it is what it is. Y'all already know I got my earphones. I got my fanny pack and my keys. I'm gonna put my keys in my... I'm gonna put my keys in my fanny pack. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. That little short man out there trying to play basketball. Alright, bitch, we came at the right time. It's a little cool outside. It feels good. I don't know. I might start walking around this time too. But yeah, bitch, let's go. We walking all the way over there. Come back around to the car. So yeah, let's go. You still with me? You slowing down? We almost on the other side of the park, girl. Yeah, come on. You got this. Let's go. Yeah, we're going to another part of the park. I usually go that way, but I was like, I wanna see what's back here. So we going back here. Y'all scared? Don't be scared. I got my pew pew with me, and I got pepper spray. So let's go see what's back here. Yeah, bitch, we still walking. I came back around because, baby, before I had knew it, the damn bridge said Walnut Hill. I said, oh, bitch, I done went too goddamn far. And then my mama called me, so I was talking to my mama, y'all. But, bitch, you still with me? We still got to walk back over there because we parked on the other side. You with me, though? You with me this far? Come on, let's go. We almost there, bitch. We parked over there. Still gotta go around this trail. But we almost there. We made it, bitch. I'm proud of you. I'm about to go to Tom Thumb and give me a slice of cake. Because I fucking deserve it. Don't judge me.